Apple appears to have quit the AI competition. Yes, I think you heard that. To integrate Google's AI engine into the iPhone, they have teamed up with Google Gemini. Many people on Twitter were now questioning why Apple would use Google for assistance, particularly with regard to features. Second, given their past, it makes sense that Apple and Google will team up. Google has been Apple's default search engine on iOS for years and has given Apple billions of dollars. The truth is that there is still uncertainty surrounding the specifics of this collaboration. We don't yet know the precise details of the agreement or how Google's AI will be integrated into iOS. What we know is that Apple will be announcing iOS 18 later this year, and they are promising some remarkable AI features, including ones that operate on the device directly, without the need for additional software. Navigate the future with Architect AI. Share the insight. Gear up for the next milestone.